So we are continuing with the question number 10 over here. You have to study the statements and two are correct. It is already given in the question itself. See, read the question carefully. Two are correct. So, a lion eating a deer, sparrow feeding on grains are consumers. Lion is a consumer, yes. Sparrow eating the seed is also a consumer, yes. Okay. Predator starfish helps in maintaining species diversity. Yes, this is a example study given in your textbook, that when this starfish was removed, other varieties of animals dependent on them were also killed. But it is a predator. Okay. This is in the textbook, it is given. Okay. Predators ultimately lead to the extinction of prey. Predators kill and finish them off. Oh, this is not possible. If the lion and the tiger eat the deer in such a way that all the deers are finished, no, the third one doesn't seem correct. Production of chemicals such as nicotine, strychnine by the plants are metabolic disorders. No, this is coming from the cigarette and all. 1 and 2 are correct. 1 and 2, option D. Correct? Which of the following is false? So this is a true and false question. Quantity of biomass in a trophic level at a particular period is called a standing crop. Biomass means the material inside the plant and the animals. Energy content in a trophic level is determined by considering a few individuals. No, that is not at all possible. I think we have hit the answer. You cannot consider only few individuals. Succession that occurs in newly cooled lava is called primary. Yes, because nothing is occurring over there and life is going to begin for the first time. Phytoplanktons are the pioneers in ecosystem. Yes. In the water body, phytoplanktons will start the food chain. Correct. So this is wrong, that energy content in a trophic level is determined by few individuals. No, you have to consider all of them. So this is the false. No, now this is going to be easy because you have to select the palindrome. So like this and like this also it has to be matching. GAC, GAC, CAG, CAG. GOGA in one strand. No, this is another one. We are not going to match them here in one strand. This one strand. Oh, it's one. This is one and this is one. This is not matching. Okay. So this is an option. This is one option. So you put a cross to both of them. You should have a pair. This is not a pair. Sorry. So this is alone. This is alone. Oh, you need two strands. So concentrate on C and D. AGC, AGC, TCG, TCG, GAC, G, it's not. So this is wrong. A, B, C are wrong. D is correct. This is palindrome. This side and other way around, it is the same. So here you are having match the column. Look at the question carefully. I hope you are having the question paper with you in another device open. Correct, so keep that with you. Along with the video I am sending the question paper separately. Match the column 1 and 2 with and select the correct option. Exonucleus from the ends, isn't it? Cleave the end of the linear DNA. So A is 2. That is definite. So any one definite answer, we stick to it. Let us have a look at the options. A, 2, oh my god, 1, 2 and 3 are given like that. So let us check any other if we get. Then terminal transferases. Can you get this correct? Add a number of nucleotide to 3' and try to see for any other options also, because 3 are having A, 2 as an answer. Here B, polynucleotide kinases and Taq polymerase. Taq polymerase is stable here. So C1, but then this is going to be a catch for you because C1 is also in 3 of them. And then if you know the answer to this B and C, only then you can do it. Terminal transferases, adding at this one end. So you can do if you know the D or B. A option is the answer. For this, you have to 14th number, you have to select the correct statement. Correct one, Acetobacter aceti produces citric. No, it is acetic acid. Is used as a clot buster. No, this is Baker's yeast. Penicillium notatum restricts the growth of strep. Yes. Methogens are found in aerobic. No, anaerobic. So C is the correct statement. Easy one. The haploid content of human DNA is 3.3. A and B, 10⁻⁹ base pair. Gel electrophoresis is a technique of separation of charged molecules. This seems correct. Incorporation of DNA into cell. No, it's not sending DNA inside cell. So B is not. A seems correct. Technique of separation. DNA. Yes, DNA. This is also correct. This is also correct. But here it is DNA through agarose gel error. Technique of separation and purification of gene. No. So C is the answer. The egg apparatus of angiosperm. Egg is having synergids. So egg with antipodals. No. Egg with 2 synergid. Yes. Egg with polar in the center of the cell. No. Egg cell and central cell. No. So correct answer is with the synergids. Egg cell which is having synergids is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a feature of a J-shaped growth form of population? J-shaped is not a feature. It is found in stable. No. J-shape would be very sudden. So it is not a stable. First is the answer. Exponential, sudden, yes. Crash phase, yes. Environmental resistance does not operate, yes. When will the population increase very fast? When the environment is not giving any type of opposition. So the answer to this 18th is A. which is not, it is not stable. Rest of this B, C, D are a feature of J-shaped growth. How many different kinds of gametes will be produced by a plant having the genotype AA, B, C, C? In the rough, you would just try to make it. Rough page, AA, capital B, small b. So one is having all the capital, another having one small b. So only two are possible. Now, sickle cell anemia is autosomal dominant, X-linked, it's not X-linked. See B and D you cancel because it is not a sex linked, correct? It is autosomal, that is for sure. But it is recessive, yes, it is recessive. It is not that it is always expressing. If it is in female, two eggs are there, one is having dominant, one is having recessive, it can be suppressed. Female will be carrier also. So, sickle cell anemia, see how I have tackled this question. When you get this question, cancel the wrong ones. It is not X-linked. So, B and D cannot be the answer. Autosomal yes, but it is not dominant, it is recessive, correct? In microbial genetics, which one is referred to as Griffith effect? Conjugation, they are coming together, no. See, put a cross to D. There is nothing like sexduction. A, B and C, from that we have to. Transduction, no, it's transform. You remember, one are the smooth ones, another are rough colony and the smooth colony. So the A virulent are transformed into virulent. The name of the topic is transformation theory or Griffith effect also. So transformation. Now, if the percentage of cytosine is 18%, then the percentage of thymine will be AT and GC. So, here the combination is going to be like this. A, T, G, C. And what is the question showing? C is 18. C is 18. Correct? So, G would be also 18. So, here if this is 18 and 18, this is coming to 36, correct? So don't directly go for this. This is a total of both, correct? So it cannot be whole 64, it cannot be like this, 32. So 32 and 32 for this. So here it would be 32. Total would be 64. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 64 plus 36, 6, 10, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct? So like this. A little bit of calculation. We had done plenty of this questions. Now, the species of plants that play an important role in controlling the relative abundance of other species. It's a direct question. Keystone. So if you remove that, it is going to affect the others also. The pearl oyster which was given. Edge species is when there is one variety of, say, ecosystem, another ecosystem is starting, then those which are found on the border are the edge. Pioneer are the starting species. Cirral, you don't have anything like that in our book. Keystone is this. This is a direct definition of this. This is again a direct question. The fitness of individuals with different phenotypes of the same trait differ in two different situations. P and Q. So what does P and Q show? P, this is going to be this is not disruptive. This is definitely direction. It is having a specific direction. This is not stable. So out of this, for this you will select directional. But for this stabilizing, no stabilizing. Disruptive, yes, disruptive. So C is the answer. So whenever you are stuck like this, go for the common sense. Here, study the following pedigree. The transition of the trait indicates it is autosomal, paternal, maternal, mitochondrial. To the mitochondria, yes, the female it is. So it is the mitochondrial inheritance. I think so that would be correct. Then, a pyramid. Now, here, the given pyramid here the given pyramid shows the relative biomass. Biomass means the total weight inside the plant and the body, animal body, zooplankton and phytoplankton. So here we are going to consider about the zooplankton, phytoplankton, the marine ecosystem. If you are going to consider the weight of the phyto, it will be so small. Zoo, okay, is higher than. What is the reason over here? Zooplanktons convert energy more efficiently. That cannot be the answer. Zooplankton have a shorter life cycle.